Hey math lover, welcome to my channel. My name is Irfan and today I'm gonna dive into a new Math Olympiad question. I suggest you to pause the video and give it a shot first, or you can stick around and let's solve it together. Okay, so the question says, how many pairs of integers m and n fulfill this inequality? So if you look at this inequality, we have two absolute values, and what absolute values does is that it makes whatever that is inside it positive. So how can you get a positive number plus another positive number to be less than or equal to 1, knowing that whatever comes out of either of them should be an integer? So these are the possibilities. I should either get a 0 from the first one or a 1 from the second one, which then add up to 1 because we are allowed to have 1, or the first one to be 1, the second one be 0, which again I get 1 out of it, or both of them to be 0, which therefore I get less than 1. And obviously we cannot have any negative value because of the reason I just mentioned earlier. So let's consider scenario number 1. If this absolute value, the inside of it is 0, that means 2m has to be 2023, and that's a conflict right there because then m is half of this value, which is 1011.5. that is not an integer, so therefore scenario number 1 is wrong. Also the last scenario, because again for the same reason this cannot be 0. So let's examine the scenario number 2. So 2m minus 2023 is 1. That means 2m is equal to positive 2024. Therefore m is 1012. And if m is 1012, so over here 2n minus m should be 0, given that m is 1012, so n should be 506. Therefore we have only one pair of integers which satisfy this inequality. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting Math Olympiad questions in the future.